Once you get to the parking lot, grab your tote, pull your gear out, and it's time to put your suit on. All you need is a clean surface. Anything that's not the ground, it's going to be a fantastic place to put your suit on. Now that your suit's out of the tote, put your clothes in the tote. When you're putting your suit on, make sure you do it one step at a time. Do not try to get the whole thing all on at once. It will not work. Then grab that back zip and use the Velcro to secure that suit tight. Now that your suit's on, we're going to put your boots on. Roll your suit up from the bottom cuff there so you can slip on your boot, zip it up, and roll the suit over top of the boot. You want water to stay out of your boot. Now you got your suit on, time to grab the boards. Grab them out and pick them up. Do not leave them on the ground. You're going to carry them right to the beach. There's two easy ways to carry the board by yourself. Either slip it right on top of your head, finding the center point, making sure it's easy to carry a long distance, or if you don't have that far to walk, just go ahead and grab it, throw it over your hip on your waist. That's another easy way to carry it by yourself.